What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Crypto Wolf back again off taking another little weekend off. Just honestly been working a lot on the Pineview stuff, or the Pine script stuff. Damn, I keep saying that, but figured since we're coming back, we're gonna do something a little bit fun first instead of getting into all the boring programming stuff. So we are doing number 2 crypto meme review. So let's get into it. Of course, you can see the meme on the thumbnail, and I don't know, I might have took it too far. If I did, you know what? Tough. But real quick, quote of the day. Some people have no idea what they're doing, and a lot of them are really good at it. My man, George Carlin. Oh, rest in peace. Dude was a legend. And it kind of brings us to our second little meme right here. I would do anything for you. Sell your Bitcoin. Boop. Gave her the old, this is Sparta. Said, nope. Over here, look, what do we got going on here? 28.50 on ETH, 38.5 on Bitcoin. Yeah, you know, been kind of going sideways for a little bit here. But let's get right into it. I'm just going to do this, like, just live looking at them right here with you guys instead of trying to save them all and bring them all up. Because a lot of them are, like, videos and GIFs and stuff like that. So it gets tough. So I'm going to try to zoom in here. Make it a little bit bigger for you. Got the little dancing pallbearers over here. The DEPs, the DeFi, the ICOs, it all just crashed. What do we got right here? Bitcoin 33K. Bitcoin 64K. That's what everybody wants. You know, everybody wants to buy the top. Or maybe they don't want to, but they sure as hell are lined up to do it every time, aren't they? We got here crypto expectations, November 2021. I'll be damned if I don't have one of those pictures as a background on my computer. January 2022. Oh yeah, just flooded the playground. Nope, no swimming in that crystal clear green water with the glass in the floor underneath the bedroom. Nope, none of that for us. We got Bitcoin versus altcoins. Oh, shit, I know where this one's going. What's that dude's name? I know it's, not Danny Glover, Donald Glover or whatever. I don't know. What we got here? Oh, yeah, total Bitcoin max. He got the tech going. He even got the hodl, but nevertheless, here we are. Filling out the McDonald's app. What does that say? It says BitLord. Sir BitLord, my apologies. Street address the moon. No, we ain't there yet, but I like where your head's at. What we got here? Noobs. TA analysts. I'm sure plenty of you guys can think of some people out here on YouTube who might be some technical analysis analysts who sure as hell make it sound like it's raining, doesn't it? All right, what do we got here? Oh my. Bitcoin 40K per support. Ah man, that period throws me off. Weird Europeans with your no commas. I don't know what the heck you guys are thinking. Yeah, oh man, look at it. Just face is getting red. It's getting tested. It's getting tested. Matter of fact, technically we did break it because we're at 38.5 right now. So, oh boy, did not make it. He's MIA. And what was it? I had actually added some text onto this one in the thumbnail. Let me bring it back real quick. When you need just one more green candle, when you're addicted to green candles, start seeing, you got the Hikanashi going, you start seeing red, you just change the chart. That's all. There's no red candles around here. Me still buying the dip. I mean, you know, for a homeless guy, dude's kind of sitting fat, except I don't know where he's going to plug it in because I don't see no cord right there. And he's not exactly looking like he's inside Starbucks or something. What do we got? Bitcoin at 69K versus Bitcoin at 42K. Dude was balling over here on the left. What happened? What happened, homie? What do you got? You delivering balloons now? All right. I think maybe you went the wrong way on that one. Should have got you some Market Cipher. What do we got over here? McDonald's will not hire any individuals that have held, traded, or sold cryptocurrencies. Well, you don't got to worry about it from me because I sure as shit ain't working at McDonald's. We got something new and unique. Just an ad for NFTs. I mean, they're kind of interesting looking, but what, little flashing lights in the back? That's it. Come on, step your game up. What, Chuck? What are you doing? Holy shit! He jumped off the dip, huh? Oh, headbutted the Bears. I have never seen it. What the heck? Yep. Screw that capital gains tax. Beat it up. Was that like a Mr. Freeze gun? You guys remember that from yeah, okay, you hit the IMF. All right, you're good. You're good with me, Chuck. All right, what do we got here? Miners then with the black lung over there. Miners now. Yeah, now you got carpal tunnel and bad eyesight because you didn't put the blue light filter on your monitor. Don't be like him. Put the blue light filter on. Save your eyes, I'm telling you. What do we got here? All my savings, government. Normally I say they're trying to get their hands in your pockets. I think government's trying to get their hands a little somewhere a little more frisky in that one there. Need money for ETH gas fees. Don't we all? Don't we all? Don't cry, babe. It's just a movie. Don't cry, babe. It's just a stop loss. Oh, yeah. And you took the extra fees on top of it with the market sell. Yeah. I mean, it's not even so much the stop loss. The question is, how low did you keep that stop loss? And the fact that he's curled up into a ball in his girl's lap, I'm guessing it was super low. Times are changing. 1987 millionaire's office. Yeah. 2021 millionaire's office. Ain't that the truth? Although, is there? I can't tell. It almost look like there's a girl in the bed. But you know what? If we're keeping to the theme, I'm pretty sure that he hadn't even talked to a girl before. Come on, bro. Clean up your room. You can barely even tell there's a kitty cat there. What you doing? Hodl, we are here. I hope so. I think so. I don't know. What do you guys think? You think we're still in the early days, the very early days? Think we're kind of in that mid-range? Are we starting to get near like a fair value price? Are we gonna hover around this range we've been in for years? What do you think? You think we've broken the cycle, like the traditional Bitcoin cycles we've been doing? Think we're doing a super cycle, or what do you think? Where do you think we're at? You think we're at the Nokia, the BlackBerry, the iPhones? Or was that like a freaking Galaxy Note, something huge like that? I was cutting off the text. Shitcoins marketing. Shitcoins listing. That doesn't look like a pig. Oh man. All right, I'm trying not to swear here. I was gonna say something. NFTs be like Kim with the chain, Kim with the shades, Kim with the hat, Kim with the beard. That is the absolute truth right there. And I'll be honest with you, it kind of pisses me off, which is why I have not even really even looked at most NFTs yet. There are a few cool ones that I kind of like what they're doing, particularly like the 3D ones that at least move or rotate or do something. But yeah, the ones where it's just like random algorithms switching up little details, I'm like, whatever. I don't know. What's this? This got no title. Portfolio in the red. Well, I don't know what to tell you, dude. Your little damn, what was that called? Brain fart. If you remember what that little thing is called, where it's got the little disc with the pictures and you can kind of switch the slides. Man, I really can't remember. We got Doge. Elon Musk tweets about use case of Dogecoin. This is not a very good meme. I'll be honest with you. That one kind of sucked. Proof of work. Michael Saylor. Proof of stake. Is that Vitalik. Why has he got a poop? Got a poop token? Is that what's got going on there? Got the Bored Ape. The Dream Team. Are you trying to say that they're all going to end up working at McDonald's? Because frankly, I'm going to go ahead and say no on that one. Probably not. What do we got here? Bitcoin. Oh, okay. Yeah, if anybody doesn't know the story behind this one, what's the kid that was whooping all these famous chess players' asses, went over to Russia and all this stuff and just shellacked them all. We already got the yen, the UN. Oh, yeah, kick that one in the nuts right there. Fed, just change the shape of that nose real quick. Gold, yeah, I mean, that's a tough one. That's a big debate right there. What do we got going on here? Oh, girl's coming back from the bar. I don't get it. What, she saw that she's got NFTs and she's like, nope, that's a deal killer for me. I don't know. In coin market cap, in real life. If you ever accidentally hear me calling it coin market crap, there's an interesting little tidbit. Maybe one of these days we'll actually make a video behind this meme right here, what that's all about. I remember hearing it. I can't remember it well enough to tell you right now. Buy the dip. Buy the dip. It's a creative one. I'll give it that. Interesting. What do we got here? This is like Yiddish EDM music. What does this have to do with anything, though? I don't even know. My portfolio consists of projects which I have spent hours researching. Shiba Inu. Just so tempting over there. Oh, the devil make you do it. I love you, Jack. I don't even know what block is, but I've not seen that meme before. How the government stops cryptocurrency. We did have a different version of this one in the first crypto meme review, although this one looks a little nicer. It's daytime. I should have picked that one. Government's banning Bitcoin. Yep, just not gonna happen. Oh my gosh, look at this guy right here. I think this one's trying to say that when Bitcoin decides it's time to dump, well, you're all going onto the road right there. And yep, ADA's going to be first, watch. Bitcoin at 50K. Bitcoin 49.99. If you are doing this when it goes down $1, you have serious issues. Stop trading right now. Step away from the computer and go out into nature, go relax, learn to meditate, do some yoga, whatever the fuck you got to do, because if you're getting that amped up on small price movements, you're not even a flopper or groper. You are like, you got issues. What's this one here? My bank account is a broke ass boat, but my crypto portfolio looking like a mega yacht. You need to take you some profits if that's the case right there. Not even mega yacht. I'm saying, like, if you got a bunch, you know what I'm saying, you need to take some money out just in case, or at least even if you throw it back into some stable coins till you're ready to work with it again or something, maybe, get some APY with it. But crypto market, day traders, hodlers, I'm gonna go ahead and say, yeah, you know what, that might be a little less stressful, but beginners games, psha. Did this really happen? Hell no. Did this really happen right behind No Telling Yelling? That would right there is the ultimate thug life right there. That's only second place to who telling HRC that she'd be in prison. Oh man, that one was gangster right there too. But your money on the bank, your money on crypto. Yeah, who wants a boring life? Come on now. Need a little excitement. Need to spice up your life a little bit anyways. Is this just an NFT ad? Probably. Yep, that's the truth. Look at that. Going all the way back to the I don't even know if this is Disney, but it is true. But it's true for everybody, whether you're in crypto, forex, stonks, ETFs, whatever it may be, commodities, stock investors. It's down 0.15%. Crypto traders, 31. Yeah, we gravy. We're good. XRP SEC case about to crash down on the investors. We'll see. I don't know. I haven't kept up with it lately, but I was hearing rumblings that they were going to do all right. Thank you, Bitcoin, my new home. That brings back some memories right there. Ugh. All right, we're skipping that one. I don't even want to think about that. Although I got to say, it's pretty clean at least. Watching the crypto market. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun. Yep. Meanwhile, on Uniswap. Is this like the Indian parliament? They're just going ham, throwing stuff at each other. They just broke off like a handrail. He's about to beat somebody with it. Michael Saylor. Everybody calm down. It is the greatest asset of all time. Don't sell. Runs back to OnlyFans. Where's the fucking super cycle? Use your wife and kids as collateral. Liquidated traders. Yeah, I got his head cracked. Oh. And we broke that one too. But you know what? The track doesn't end there. Crow investing is stress-free. I wouldn't know. Although, there's some people that got in and then, last few days in crypto, going. Wah, wah, wah. You know what? Honestly, nobody should be surprised at how it's been lately. If you are surprised, you're not paying attention to what's going on in the larger sense with volume and things like that. So, come on, pick your head up, pay attention. Oh, shit. Look at this. Right, ready, dodge, boom. Just bucked it. No 100K for us. All right, last one, and we're going to switch here. Meanwhile, watching noob investors crying on Reddit during their dip virginity. Yep. That right there is the truth. All right. Flip pages. What do we got over here? What's next? Zoom this in a little bit. When none of your friends are Bitcoiners. This is true. This is true right there. I got one. I got one, at least like that I see on a daily basis. There's one guy at work, and then there's another one who's thinking about it. I'm not even trying to push it on him or anything. I'm waiting. When we get to like a real dip, then I'm gonna be like, hey, now's the time. But other than that, yeah, I got some people back home doing it. But I sold my Bitcoin in panic. Rule number 1: you never sell Bitcoin. Don't listen to him. $100 cash or a Bitcoin. I don't even got to play the volume. You already know what it is. I've seen like, I don't even know how many videos like this. Let me see.
In my hand feels way more tangible and way more real than like Bitcoin. Like I don't.
And you just lost out on $40,000. What do we got here? Elon buys Twitter for $44 billion. Meanwhile, Doge holders. It did have a pump. It was a very short-lived pump, but it did have a pump. Honestly, haven't even really checked it since it came back down a little bit. But coming back to the little opener one, I would do anything for you. You sell your Bitcoin for me? Nope. When you're at a party and nobody knows about Web3, there seems to be no sign of intelligent, meaningful life anywhere. Did he say meaningful? I thought he said intelligent. I don't know. I haven't watched Toy Story in a while. But honestly, if you're going to parties and you're trying to talk to people about Web3, I don't know. You're going to fall on your face on that one. Crypto trading tips. Crypto memes. We shall find out, because obviously we do both here. So if you're trying to get, not even trading tips, if you're trying to learn how to do some trading, specifically with Market Cipher, but you don't even have to use Market Cipher. I mean, honestly, like, there's other things you can use to at least get a close idea. But if you do love the memes, let me know and we will keep doing them. Hold or sell. We got the Squid Game guy. Never invest in a business you cannot understand. Says the old fart who doesn't even understand most tech stocks. Get the fuck out of here. He popped up in the news again today. Talking more. People keep asking him about Bitcoin, which I have no idea why. I think it's just to, like, try to, you know, do the FUD thing and try to trash it in the news. Because everybody knows what his answer is going to be. So, like, why these reporters keep asking him? And he just keeps shitting all over it, and at this point nobody really cares. So that was a great dip. You know what they say? A good friend will bail you out of jail. A great friend will be sitting there next to you like, damn, that was fun. Or I guess the hospital in that case. Buying Bitcoin at bottom prices, nah. Buying lottery tickets with a 1 in 88 quadrillion odds, Lotto stud. My accountant, after seeing that I placed 89,511 trades last year just to make $38 in profit. Are you a sicko? Oh my gosh, yes. If you do not know about crypto taxes, if you are trading taxes or any of that stuff, and you're new or you haven't gotten that deep into it yet or even thought about it or heard about it yet, just a heads up. Oh, yeah, you're in for a good time. But at least, I don't know about all the exchanges, but a bunch of exchanges will put out like a little tax document for you. And without that, I can't even imagine. I really can't. So I don't know how Bitcoin works. And at this point, I'm too afraid to ask. Well, it's not that complicated, so you shouldn't be. When they don't understand what fiat currency is, but they hate on cryptocurrency. Yeah, that's a lot of people right there. That's a lot of people. And I'll keep my mouth shut. When prices keep dropping and you haven't said hodl in the last 30 seconds, old boy's about to have an aneurysm. When should you sell your cryptos? Before? After? Once again, stick around on the channel, watch some of the other videos. If that's the way you look when you're doing that, we'll see. We'll see if we can change that up for you a little bit here. Anyone else have the same feel? How I feel when I check my bank account. Please, can I have $1? How I feel when I check my Ledger wallet. I'm rich, bitch. Investor is a chance to jump into cryptocurrencies. Closely watching the price of Bitcoin. I'm all in as soon as it drops. Well, I probably should have ate something, maybe drank a little bit of water. Just hang in there, it'll be all right. When Bitcoin goes up, yeah, Elon is our God, hail the Doge Father. God, if any of you guys are saying that, you better stop. When Bitcoin drops, oh please Elon, stop tweeting. That was last year. That was the case last year for sure. And oh man, I had fun making fun of plenty of people who were doing that too. So if that offends you, well, it should. Fiat. What do I got? First day trading crypto. How I look a year later. Once again, stop flopping and groping. It's bad for your health. Quite literally. All right. Jump to the next one. What do we got here? We got some other ones. We got the famous roller coaster of love. I lost all my apes and mutants just now. Anyone bought it? Please touch me. Where the fuck says please touch me? Seriously? Sorry to hear that. Has anyone mentioned that you have to change your profile picture? You are actually stealing at the moment by using it. Burn. Ouch. I've been hacked. All my apes gone. Just sold. Please help me. Wow, that's so shitty. I'm really sorry, dude, but please change your profile pic since you no longer own it. Who are these like profile pic Nazis going around like giving people a hard time here? Oh my gosh, Wojak. Oh, he thought he was going to the moon, and there he is. He's back at McDonald's again. Me buying one more dip. I sold my pants, sold my Jordans, even sold my polo. Just please help me get some Shiba Inu, man. You post a pic of your dog on the internet because he's cute. It gets popular. Hey, it becomes a meme. Look at me. It becomes a freaking cryptocurrency. No. Man, I should have took some road. I think the guy who posted the Doge doggy pic actually tried to sue for money, and it did not work. Once again, 35K or 64, you know which one we're choosing. When they said you can't get married because she is just an NFT. You know, when they get to the point where they got like AI NFT girls, yeah, you know it's going to happen. You know it's going to happen. People have already married sex dolls, so I'm just saying it's really not that far out there. You're in queue to mint. We're sorry, you were not selected during the raffle. That sucks. Mark's safe from getting completely wiped out today. No such thing. My underwear watching me throw 200 into my Coinbase account. If you got a big old hole that size, yeah, go to Walmart. What do they got? Like 3 packs of underwear for $5? I mean, come on, bro. Mommy, look over there. Crypto traders. Don't look at them, Ricky. I don't want you to be influenced by... Oh, God, no. Ricky! BRB, mom going to the moon. What does that say? Money kept inside the blouse. Call it Titcoin. Can confirm. Me withdrawing my $24 from Binance after investing $1,800. He's looking a little salty. When you can buy the dip in a crash and it dips even further. This has been the worst trade deal in the history of trade deals, maybe ever. Believe me. It's the worst one ever. I can't do Trump's. I never actually tried. I think that's the first time I even tried. CZ Binance. Probably not true, but I just heard Michael Saylor is Satoshi. We are all Satoshi. We are all Satoshi. My portfolio looks like Shitoshi. Sorry, Charlie. How to commit suicide in a way which will hurt less. I have no idea what's going on in there. Nowhere in the world I have heard a currency have to go down 50% so it can go up, except crypto Twitter. What about, not true anymore. The ruble. I don't know if it went down 50%, but it sure shit took a dip. I don't want to hear somebody's problems. Let's keep going. When you see other people buying the dips, you guys still have money? Oh my gosh, dude! You want to talk about during like the whole meme stop craze with the meme stock with GameStop, and I happened to be paying attention on Wall Street Bets at the time, and I'm seeing all these people just doubling, tripling down, quadrupling down, going in harder. I'm like, where the F are you guys getting all this money? Like, acting like you went all in the first time. Like, this is your 4th time going all in. Like, what are you selling at this point? Like, who is giving you money? Stop taking loans. Hi, sir. I'm holding USDT for last 4 years, but it's not going up. I think big people are accumulating. Please advise when it will pump. Any day now, bro. Any day now. You just keep holding that tether. Meh. 50 engineers, 20 PhD grads. Imagine being so dumb in your field, you end up making a coin. Considering I made one, I mean, I didn't actually like, put it out for actual usage or anybody buying, but I did make one. LMAO just found 5K USD worth Doge in CoinKit wallet. I probably tipped tens of thousands of USD while I'm still broke. Ouch. Astronauts to the moon. Is this what's this? Is this a new token? Does somebody literally make a token called Ass Finance? Seriously? All right. You know what? You scored a point with me on that one. That was good. What ass will do to an MFer? If it's well, I mean, technically that was a true statement. Us after buying ass. Yeah, a cigarette and a sandwich maybe. All right, what's with it? Come on, what's all the spam on that one? What do we got? We're running out of good stuff. Yep. OnlyFans or something. It's probably the only OnlyFans that I'd be paying for. Shoot. One of us is laundering money. Bitcoin banker. I think it's Red. What? Red was not the imposter. As much as I agree with the message of this meme, it was kind of a shitty meme. All right, moving on. Now, since we want to broaden this up a little bit, I'm going to go into some regular trading memes as opposed to strictly crypto. So let's branch it out. What do we got here? Basically, all my trades. Entry, take profit, sliding on down to the stop loss. Hurt your butt on the way down. What do we got here? When your trading desk needs a little bit extra focus. I do not recommend. It's the weekend and markets are closed. I know not of what you speak of. When it's 1 minute after market close. What's this about? When someone wants to make millionaire students but barely can afford his rent. I can't stand that laugh. When you just started trading and then your Wi-Fi hits the stop loss. What? Your Wi-Fi hits the stop. Anybody know what the heck they're talking about? How's your Wi-Fi gonna? You mean your Wi-Fi went out and you hit the stop loss? Like when you get into trading for the first time, no matter what, just have fun.
No matter what.
And I bet they on the face right now. When you just started trading and then you're, we already, come on, what's with the repeats? I'm about to turn this one off. When he's not a trader. She's got standards. When your trading floor in Colombia hits the weekly goal on Monday. One could be so lucky. Oh my gosh. All right. We're running out of...
You're so stupid. I came in here and said don't do it, and you did it anyway. What is wrong with you?
Man, speaking of, I heard a story not too long ago about this dude who ran up like 40K on his margin account. Got the margin call. Not good, not good. When you just became a full-time trader. Yeah, you're already at the Ferrari dealership. You're checking it out. You're pricing it, seeing what features you like, asking for a test drive and getting laughed out of the building. When you finally quit college and start trading, I would quite literally do exactly this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right. Too many repeats. Repetition irks the hell out of me. What do we got over here on Instagram? Crypto investors back in 2021 when Elon tweeted about Bitcoin's economic sustainability. Was that Stone Cold Steve Austin? I swear it was. Do we not get audio? Oh.
Your brain releases endorphins, yeah? Your stress hormones are reduced, and the oxygen supply to your blood is increased. So you feel, I try and laugh several times a day just because it makes you feel good. So
What? As I say, what you're doing if your crypto mentor says this is how he handles losses in the market.
okay, all right.
When your girl says she won't sell her car so you can buy more poo coin.
We're done here. Okay.
You're walking out the door.
You grow up, you work half a century, you get a golden handshake, you rest a couple
This is how the majority of new crypto investors pitch the next best coin to their colleagues.
of years, and you're dead. And the only thing that makes that crazy ride worthwhile is, did I enjoy it? Yeah. What did I learn? That was the point. That's where I come in. You see how I react to people, I make them feel good, make them think that anything's possible. Yeah. If I make them laugh along the way, sue me.
So buy Safe Moon. When you know someone's only after you because you bought Bitcoin at $100. When you had a dream that you blew all your money on a pump and dump coin and then you wake up, try withdraw money from an ATM and realize it wasn't a dream. What the F is going on here? Sure. When you're watching your crypto portfolio collapse in front of your eyes and someone asks if you're okay. It'll be okay, bro. It'll be okay. Call that hotline. Don't do it. When you break up with your girl and she has access to your crypto portfolio, oh good gosh. God, if anybody has ever had anything like that happen to them, I am so curious to hear the story. And also, man, I feel for you. Haven't had it happen, but good gosh, that's horrible. When you see new crypto investors crying after a 10% dip. Ah, suck it up, Buttercup.
Why do you have to be mad? It's only a game. Why do you have to be mad?
Watching your crypto portfolio get back to break even after being in negative for the last year. It hasn't been that long, but I know there's a lot. There's a lot of stuff that shoot, I'm still in the negative on, but at least there's a lot more in the positive. So that's why you do trading.
This is a beautiful moment, and I'm not crying. This is a beautiful moment, and I'm not.
Bro, you are absolutely crying. Watching your portfolio rise 5% over the weekend despite being down 70% over the last 12 months. Oh yeah, you got the giggles and everything, don't even lie. Just seeing those green numbers on your portfolio app. Me waiting for the crypto altcoin I invested in to blow up.
I can't be your man. I'm sorry. She a fucking fan. It's brand.
Yeah, that was kind of dumb. Crypto boys, after losing 50% of their net worth overnight and now getting back to work in Tesco.
So sometimes you gotta do some shit like this. But this is not temporary, man. This is not firm.
It's not temporary, mate. Yeah, keep telling yourself. How's that crypto thing doing? Oh, man. If it's got you feeling like Is that Tyrese? Should be all right after all them Fast and Furious friggin' movies. What else do we got here? This one is stock trading over on Instagram. Has anyone ever just not paid their broker? Oh my gosh, this is the one I was talking about. I'm down a little over 40K on credit, and as of yesterday, I no longer have my brokerage account. Deleted it yesterday. I'm wondering, since I deleted my account, will I just likely not hear from them? I mean, should I take other steps, i.e. closing my bank accounts for now? Thank you. Oh, what are the comments on this guy? Any advice for this genius? I heard some guy called Slippin' Jimmy. He got his own firm now. Check it out. That sounds like spam. That poor soul. You can't get a margin call if you don't have a phone. Aha. Aha. This guy gets it. This guy named Margin keeps calling. Not sure what he wants. He wants his money like the mob. Amazon before earnings. Amazon after earnings. Yeah, that's like Kevin Spacey's ugly cousin. What's up with that? I'm just not in a good place right now. Damn, the U.S. economy. Thank God I have all my money in recession-proof stocks like GameStop and AMC. Shit. If I lose money in the market, I could just ask my broker if they could refund me, right? Yeah. You know, I just got to keep the receipt. Keep an eye on that return policy. MetaMates watching the Bears get wrecked after Facebook beats earnings. Yeah, I don't care. Wall Street, tech stocks. I don't want to play with you anymore. We got bag holding tech bros are the new long-term investors. Wake me up when the 74th dip is done. Thanks. Just in time for them to buy everyone else's shares up. What is this? Hostile takeovers with Elon Musk. Big pockets. Parag Agrawal. 44 billion, a useless board. They're firing me today. Twitter employee by stock trading memes. Nah, that's not a very good one. I mean, the picture was okay. Every time I buy the dip. Oh! Oh, damn. Look at that. Oh, shit. If buying high and selling low was a person, that guy gets it. Raise awareness. Send this to a dip buyer. Faceplant. He bought the dip. I did too. It feels like this looks better than missing your stop. So then just short the stock. Yeah, that's all. That's all you gotta do. Placing another trade just to watch it immediately drop. I gotta stop playing audio on some of these. I'm gonna copyright strike me for nothing. Netflix, buy! Oh my god. Hey, if anybody out there is listening to Jim Cramer, God help you. Seriously, you better stop. Just turn off the TV altogether. Save it for like movies only at the end of the day or on a weekend or something, or if you're doing a little bit of Netflix and chill or something. But do not be watching any stock stuff on TV. That is all completely scripted and controlled. Especially that guy. Especially that guy. The weatherman. Yeah, there you go. Netflix bag holders. Earnings negative 20%. I'm guessing that guy's Russian. Blame Russia for something in the comments. Russia is also the reason why I haven't folded my laundry. Yeah. You know, that's it. Yeah, Russia's the reason that I haven't put my shirts on hangers and there's like a 2-foot tall stack of clean shirts. Totally Russia's fault. Reason is obviously Jim Cramer saying to buy Netflix. Aha, yeah. Russia has been found guilty of numerous times of leaving the toilet seat up in my house. Damn former commies. Go woke, go broke. Amen. We're cracking down on passwords because of Russian hackers. So you see, we're only trying to help the consumer. Get woke, go broke, trade in full swing. There should be an ETF of companies that choose political agendas over their customers, investors. I'd short it. Interestingly enough, there is actually an ETF for the other side of companies that don't go woke. I don't remember what it's called, but maybe you guys do. If you remember, write it down in the comments. Maybe somebody would like to know. Me, oh, you're into trading too? What do you have in your portfolio? Him, I forget what they're all called, but I'll show you my Robinhood account. Me dying inside. Oh no. His portfolio, penny stocks, shit coins, and fractional Tesla shares. I mean, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. I mean, just keep it real here. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, but you gotta. It's time to grow up, move out of Robinhood, move out of the Robinhood mama house. Got me, my 3% raise, inflation. Oh yeah, got beat up like the bunny by Jay and Silent Bob. And then they got the nerve to come out and say it's actually a good thing because wages are going up. Matter of fact, had to do an ice cube hunt instead of Easter egg hunt this year. It's like, wait, you guys got a raise? Yeah, really. Actually, I don't know. Technically, I got a little one, but doesn't even mean anything right now. Absolute gold. You have your best yet. Wait, you got a raise? Never got a raise. Tag team like the Dudley Boys. Got 20%, so we good. No, not we good, you good. 20%. Who the fuck gets 20% raises? Seriously? Shit. Give myself a 20% raise. I just need this effing unemployment money so I can try and day trade for my rent. Just need to buy low and sell high, bro. You wouldn't get it, bro. It's so easy. This is way more people than you think. Yep. I do not doubt it. Buys 2 GameStop calls. Buys Twitter puts. Live view of the Twitter headquarters after getting Elon's offer. Everybody stay single file. Don't panic. Well, considering that, what was it, like 96% of political donations from Twitter employees all went to a certain side that is no mystery whatsoever. When you tell your girl to start an OnlyFans because you lost the house. Yeah, I bet her eyes would be bugging out that wide too. Oof. We're going to use that OnlyFans money on AMC call options. Don't worry, babe. We'll get the house back in no time. When you tell her you just gave Ukraine 800 million more while inflation is at a 40-year high. I'm going to pretend I didn't read that. The government publishing inflation numbers and giving excuses for the increases. Me knowing that the real inflation numbers are much higher because the Fed printed trillions of dollars. And if you don't know, the Fed's not the only one creating money. The banks create it too, and typically more. Typically the banks actually create more than the Fed. So luckily luckily a lot of people don't really know about that. Otherwise, holy crap. Elon, after spending $2.8 billion to tell the Twitter board to add an edit button, dropped the W, and to turn their headquarters into a homeless shelter. Yeah, that was pretty good, I will say. And when you convert your life savings into Zuckbucks. Yeah, what do we got here? If you lose money in the metaverse, you lose money in real life. Meta reportedly plans to create Zuckbucks, which are virtual coins for Facebook and Instagram users. Yeah, we're not buying your crappy Zuckerberg crypto. Get the hell out of here. All right, and the last one. What do we have? 49. This is going to be longer than I thought. We're beating expectations. Isn't that the truth? I like this one right here. It's got that vibe of like the whole like, I bet he's thinking about other girls. And he's like, damn, we broke the trend line. It's crashing. They shorted my stock. I shortened their life. Oh boy. Psycho. I finally found it after 15 years. The scroll of truth. Buying and holding long term will produce the best returns. Yeah. By the way, not true. But then again, if you're not very good at trading, it could be true. Watching a tennis match. Watching the stock markets. One of those is better for your neck. Snow is falling. Sell snow. Sell, sell. Sell, sell, sell. That seems like one of the ones you would see in like a newspaper. Oh, you invest in the stock market? Sounds risky. That gives me a headache just thinking about it. That's an ad, isn't it? I still don't understand how the stock market works, and at this point, I'm afraid to ask. We just saw that same friggin' meme over there with Bitcoin. Who's being lazy? I was losing money before the stock market crashed. I bet you were. Look, a shooting star. I wish my trading strategy would work. LOL. Yeah, that's a you problem. Don't be wishing on stars. Wish you'd get off your ass and do something different. Dude, what if I hold that stock for 10 years? Kind of depends what the... Nah, never mind. What normal people see, what traders see. Head and shoulders. When stock market closed on weekends. That's why we do crypto. 24/7, 365, never stops. Does get, slow down, but understanding the stock market, number one. Meh. Kind of closing on a crappy note here. According to the encyclopedia, bulls eat hay and bears eat berries. My dad says they only eat money. True that. A stock market crash is worse than divorce. You lose half your money and your wife is still around. There we go. All right. Finally, something funny here. What is a bull market? Random market movement causing an investor to mistake himself for a financial genius. And that is the absolute truth, especially when you're in a bull market. And honestly, in most cases, people trying to trade a bull market, you end up missing out on more than you would have made if you just opened the trade and just walked away for a month or two. But so let's assume I buy 100 shares of this stock. How many minutes should I hold it? If you're doing that with a broker, they are going to love you. Indicators add clarity to your chart analysis. That's the truth. Speaking of, all right, gonna wrap this up here. Let's see what's going on. And not much. We're going sideways. And let's bump to the 4 hour. And still kind of bouncing around in this little fib range right here. Money flow going sideways, getting choppy, doing a whole bunch of nothing. What about ETH? Any better? Okay. ETH's got a little bit more uppishness going on here. You know what? We may have to stretch this retracement here. Oh, crap. I'm going to lose the point. Look at that, right off that golden pocket. Yeah, not too shabby. Did have bullish divergence going on right there. Let's check the 1 hour. What do we got going on? Kind of double bottom on that one, so a little bit of divergence. Trending upward, had a little bit of a trigger wave, I suppose. Yeah, kind of losing the momentum waves right there. Money flow did come up in the green, but it's super low, super choppy. It's just not enough volume. Not enough. What we got? Now Ripple doing a little bit better. Meh. Luna doing decent. Meh. Meh. Nada. Yeah. Avalanche actually looking pretty good right there on the 1 hour. Not too shabby at all. Nope. Monero, 3.4% after going down all day. Right. Maybe not all day. Crow. Oof, man, some of these had a rough couple days here. Whoa. Algorand, look at that. Jumping up ahead of the pack. And Near had a little bit of a pump earlier. Anchor moving pretty strong, getting a little choppy, but RSI's tight to the red going up. Could be a little something more there. But all right, I'm cutting it off at that. Remember, continue to be a badass. Go check out the other videos if you, if you want, whether it be, learning how to use Market Cipher, what is Market Cipher, talking about trading psychology, or just, going through and doing a little bit of technical analysis, some of the drawing tools. And next video coming up will be part 2 of the Pine script over here. Going to be continuing that, although it's going to be some basics. So if you really do want to learn Pine script, then you're definitely going to have to watch the next tutorial coming up on it, because it kind of just goes as quickly as I can over the basics of the language itself. And obviously, if you want to make your own indicators or strategies, you got to learn the language. So we're going to hit that one hard, and should be getting a little more interesting from there after, onto the third video and beyond. So love you guys. Thanks for stopping by. Let me know what you thought, and if you have some outstanding crypto or trading or any good memes whatsoever at this point, feel free to go send them on my Twitter there that has, I don't know if it has anything. I honestly haven't checked it since I started it, but you can get it to me there, or the email address in the description. All right, have a fantastic day. Later.